Hello art beaters, Becky here with a new video and I hope you enjoy. If you want to keep up to date on all things art beads, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel right now. Enjoy!
I did say that I am feeling fall today. Like I said earlier, I did get a pumpkin spice latte this morning. It was so good. Oh my gosh. So fall is swiftly approaching, so I thought I would give you some fall jewelry inspiration. It's a good time to start making your fall jewelry so you can wear it throughout the season. And just take a look at the colors on this tray here. I am so in love with all of these colors. These are some of my favorite colors at any time, but especially in fall. We've got those rich reds and browns, those earthy tones. Copper is a great color for fall. But I also like to throw in some mustard and pinks and even some funky colors too, like this kind of chartreuse and magenta combo over here. So let's take a look. There's all kinds of beautiful inspiration for your fall jewelry. Fibers are especially intriguing to me for fall. So velvet ribbon, I think this is a beautiful fall piece, especially in that rich burgundy color. And it's just trimmed with little seed beads and crystals there, and then finished with those ribbon ends and some jump rings. So you've got this beautiful choker. Oh, I love this piece. Speaking of fibers, we've got these fun tassel earrings with those fun bead caps at the top. So this is a fun one if you're a crafter and you have like lots of different ribbon selections in your craft room. Kind of fun to kind of take different samples of your ribbons and make some fun tassels. We've even got some beads thrown in there as well because we love beads, of course. So that's a super fun idea for kind of adding in some fiber to your fall jewelry. I love these. These are excellent fall colors. This is very whimsical to me. So beautiful. And you can do kind of the same with a loomed piece. So this loomed piece has rows of seed beads, but it also has rows of yarn and ribbon in there as well too. And then the ends are just knotted for that fun textured look. This is so cozy to me, which I love for fall. So you could definitely pair this with a cozy sweater and kind of pick up on those different fall colors in there. So that's a really fun one. And then silk ribbon too is a great fall option. And Tracy from TR Cast actually made these ribbon earrings with some silk ribbon and those fun TR Cast crimpins. I love these for making tassels. And she even used some spacers on the end of the ribbon to kind of give them some weight and a nice dangle there. But what great fall colors she used. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Love that. So fibers are definitely a great option for fall. Loving kind of like the Southwest motif for fall as well, because Southwest often has really nice like dusty desert colors that are perfect for fall. So this is a crochet rope piece in some really fun fall colors, and then those copper findings too are perfect for the fall season. Love that little pop of turquoise in there. And like I said, copper is a wonderful choice for fall. It's one of my favorite fall go-tos. We've got this beautiful copper earring set with the TR Cast lotus, and then this, I love this chandelier so much. That is a great jewelry component. And then just some bead links chain to bring it all together. So beautiful. I really love like copper and orange and blue for fall. I love that combo. I think it's a really fun little twist on the traditional orange color palette for fall. Just add a little pop of blue in there. Super fun. So these earrings are a great fall choice. And I really love this nun design piece as the backdrop for those pretty crystals. So sparkly. Check glass leaves are so fun for fall. These earrings have those beautiful check glass leaves. I put them right in the center of that fun nun design hoop. There's even some fun iridescent red pearls in there and a big old focal bead that looks like a pumpkin. So that's a super fun idea. You could totally switch this out for something different. You could put like maybe like a maple leaf charm there, or even a metal pumpkin charm there. Or you could just forego this part completely and just do the hoops. Even that would be a super cute idea on its own. So lots of fun ways to play with that design, but totally perfect for fall. More copper, so beautiful. So these are actually handmade jump rings. So we twisted some wire and then made the jump rings ourselves and then linked them all together. And then you've got that pop of fun color. I think these colors are so great for fall. They're a little unexpected and you could totally pair them with those more traditional like oranges and greens and stuff. So really beautiful. I love all of the texture and the coppery goodness in this piece. Even the little hook is handmade. So really fun. I love the texture on that. That's another thing is like interesting textures are fun for fall. And I think that's because of like the textures of like crunchy leaves and all of that. So I think textures like that are so good for fall. Browns are another beautiful color. Again, you've got those fun textures in this loomed bracelet with seed beads and check glass rondelles. Love those browns for fall. And brass. Brass too is another good option for fall jewelry. I also really like deep, rich greens for fall because at least here in the Pacific Northwest, we still have a lot of green even in the fall. We've got all those beautiful evergreen trees. So I love a good deep green for fall as well. And here it's paired with brass and orange colors. So these pieces were actually painted with vintage patina paints to give them that fun mottled fall colors. So that's a beautiful fall piece. Here's another fun green and copper fall piece. This one was actually done with an Artbeads designer seed bead blend, so these colors are all picked out already for you. I picked them up at random to make this square stitch bracelet, and then I used these gorgeous tiara cast leaves, which are perfect for fall. So beautiful. So love that for fall as well. I really like this color combo. This is like the color palette of my wardrobe in fall are these colors. We've got that mustard yellow, a sweet soft pink, and some greens in there. This is like my fall in one piece. So love these colors for fall. Also good transition colors for spring too, but loving these for fall. And if you put like a little bit more orange in there too, that's a really good combo as well. So these are super fun fall earrings. Everything that you see here is available in our design studio with free instructions and a supplies list. I do have links in the video description. Of course, classic orange is a great fall choice, and these are like different shades of orange and coral in a simple Russian spiral stitch. There's even some gold thrown in there. That's just a great harvest color look. So beautiful for fall. Love these earrings for fall. Just easy. We've got all of the fall color we need right in these Guardian beads. Focals, I just attached them to some hoop earrings. So pretty, so quick, perfect fall earrings. Love those. So definitely love this, this focal from Guardian Beads. It's enameled and it's just beautiful. And there are some real silver accents in there as well. Perfect fall earrings. Love those. I also love like varying shades of gold and white for fall. I think that has a very like harvest sunset kind of feel. So this one I think is a really great fall piece. We've got some bead links chain in there and some fun fire polished that I embedded into epoxy clay in that Nun Design bezel. So I think this is a super fun fall piece as well, especially if you layered it with some other pieces shown here. And then we've got this great kind of orange and dusky purple and rose gold color combo with some fun little orange flowers. You can still have flowers in fall, right? So pretty. And again, we've got that orange bead links. This is actually memory wire that I just cut for a focal for this necklace. I thought that was a fun shape to add to the necklace. So yeah, so lots of fun fall inspo. Oh, here's another fun fall color combo is that kind of rusty orange and lavender. Oh my goodness, this is such a winning combination. So these are 2 Garden Beads enameled flower bead caps layered together with beads that match and cute little dangles there. I love, love, love this color combo for fall. And I found a dress when thrift shopping that has like flower patterns that are like this exact color. These earrings match that dress so well, and I didn't realize when I bought that dress that these earrings were the perfect match for them, but they match that dress wonderfully. So that's one of my favorite fall outfits. Super cute, and I love the black finish components. I think that gives it kind of a witchy fall vibe. So really pretty. And then this is a nice yellow for fall. I love a good yellow for fall too, especially like that mustardy type yellow. Oh, so good. Love that. So really great fall inspiration from our design studio. There's more fall inspiration too. If you head over to our design studio, we have so much inspiration there. And if you type in just fall or autumn into our search box at artbeads.com, that'll give you a lot of results, but you can filter to the left just by clicking tutorials, and you'll see all of the design studio tutorials that we have with those keywords. So that's a good way to take a look at even more fall inspiration. So hopefully this gets you excited for fall. If you haven't already decided to drink your pumpkin spice latte like me, you can drink in all of these beautiful jewelry pieces instead. So beautiful. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Can't wait for all the fall fashion. This is really getting me excited.